So this is the MG400 robot station, and you can see this is the MG400 collaborative robot. It is a very simple and basic pick and place robot with a very cost-effective price tag. So if you are looking to replace a very simple pick and place application, or you would want to experiment to see whether a process is suitable for automation, this is a product that you can highly consider. In this demonstration kit, the MG400 is connected to the camera, and we have a touchscreen computer here to display the results of the camera itself. And the position of each object is then transmitted back to the MG400 so that it can be able to pick and place the materials correctly. So this is an example of even such a basic robot being able to integrate with an external vision camera. So now we are going to see the robot performing a tool change. It's going to release the previous tool, and it would now come and pick up another tool, which is the polishing tool. So for the polishing application, we will usually pair it together with a force torque sensor. So if you notice, this here is actually a force sensor, meaning it detects the force of the robot pressing against the surface while it's polishing. And if I put more force, the robot will actually adjust, and you will see the gap over here has increased. So this is how we can implement a force torque sensor for polishing applications. What we are showing is the CR5V collaborative robot together in a screw driving application. So what you can see here, this is a screw dispenser. It is a machine that dispenses individual screws, and we then use this robot to use a screwdriver to pick up the screws and to drive it into the product in the manufacturing process. Now, what is unique about this robot is that this is actually a stripped down version of the flagship collaborative robot, meaning that we removed some of the unnecessary features to ensure that your cost is much lower compared to the flagship model, and that this collaborative robot itself is very suitable for basic pick and place, polishing, and the assembly processes. Last but not least, we have a version of the collaborative robot called the SafeSkin robots, whereby we are able to stop or pause the robot before the robot has any collision. So for example, now as the robot is moving, if I put my hand near it, the robot will be able to detect that there is an object or there is a human nearby, and it will stop. And the moment I remove my hand, the robot will resume the operations. So this technology is quite unique for Dobot products, and I believe that it is so far the only manufacturer who has implemented it into their standard products. So if you can see, I put my hand here, it stops. I take my hand away, it resumes. I put it back, it stops.